I was 5 years old when thousands of people died in front of my eyes. A devastating flash flood occurred in my hometown, Uttarakhand. I was scared and terrified to my very soul. The flood and landslide washed away many houses, agricultural land, and many villages. Many animal and people died because of that flood, and many kids lost their parents, home, and everything else that they had. Natural disaster gives us two things: a moment to react and a decision to overcome. I was seeing all this on television and via pictures clicked by my father when a question came to my mind: why this flash flood occurred? And the answer that I got was because of global warming. And again, a big question came to my mind: what is global warming? And that was when my father explained me that, as the word itself explains, the increasing temperature of our globe is known as global warming. And this led to another question: who is responsible for this? And the answer that I got was humans. I was curious to learn more, and that was when I stumbled upon climate change and how drastic weather conditions were just one of the many problems caused by it. We use a lot of fossil fuels and do a lot of carbon emissions, and as a result of which, the global warming is increasing and the climate is changing. When I understood all this, I felt very angry on our older generation and our policymakers that they are not taking enough actions to protect our environment. I was very frustrated at that time. And it was when I asked my father, can't I do something to stop all this? And he really supported me. So thankfully he supported me, and I started working on it. And he's also working for environment and wildlife conservation. And further, he discussed with his lawyer friends about my work. So after a long discussion, I filed a petition against the government of India in National Green Tribunal, asserting that the Indian government has failed to fulfill all the duties to mitigate climate change. 1.5 years after filing, NGT dismissed my petition by saying that there is no need to give any direction to our government as they were fulfilling all the norms. Now I have taken that petition to Supreme Court of India. I won't let this fight die down. Trust me. In September 2019, I, along with 15 other child petitioners, including Greta Thunberg, presented a landmark official complaint to the United Nations Committee to protect the lack of government action on climate crisis. We believe that the failure to tackle climate crisis has constituted a violation of child right because we will be bearing the brunt of their malpractice in the future. As we all have seen, climate change is a burning issue globally, and its effect can be seen in our surrounding in the form of severe weather events, droughts, melting glaciers, rising sea level, and increase in wildfires. In 2019, India faced two extreme weather events at the same time: floods and droughts. While Chennai went dry facing water crisis, Assam and Bihar faced monsoonal flood, and Odisha faced cyclone Fani. One of the examples of the adverse impact of climate change globally was the severe increase in Amazon forest fire. Amazon rainforest has been on fire, and the main cause of this fire has been human activities and their endless greeds. I got angry on seeing that our policymakers are focused on the death of rainforest, diminishing trees and vegetation cover that could release billions of tons of stored carbon into the atmosphere, warming the planet even more. Global warming not only affect our surrounding, but it also affect our health through the food we eat, water we drink, and the air we breathe. And this led to a massive increase in respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. We are facing we are facing these kinds of effect right now, and if we won't act on them right away, we can't even imagine how worse the conditions would be in the future. The children of today and the future will be bearing the burn and the effects of what they're doing now. My future is being destroyed and tarnished in front of my eyes. And that pains me to my very core. That children, not the part of this decision making process, have to suffer. I can't leave the safety of my future in someone else and who doesn't care about it. If I, a 12-year-old, can understand how detrimental effects of climate change are and can raise my voice against it, all of you in the learned audience can only do better. Let's start acting now. Let's start acting now. And let's save our planet together because it's our planet. Thank you.